Dear Diploma CET aspirants, many students were asking how to calculate Diploma CET ranking. So this video I explain the procedure for calculating the Diploma CET ranking. Every year Karnataka Examination Authority KA is conducting Diploma Common Entrance Test. This KA has given the notification. In that notification it has clearly mentioned that it will consider equal percentage of final year score and equal percentage of Diploma CET score. The whole process I explain in 5 quadrangle: quadrangle 1, quadrangle 2, quadrangle 3, quadrangle 4 and quadrangle 5. As you know, in quadrangle 1 they consider final year percentage 50 percentage. Final year means 5th sem and 6th sem, and Diploma CET they consider 50%. Total percentage is 100%. In quadrangle 2 regarding Diploma CET, as you know, we have 3 sections in Diploma CET. Applied mathematics carries 40 marks, applied science carries 40 marks, engineering paper, that is core subject, that can be computer science, electronics, electrical, mechanical, civil, that carries total 100 marks, and all 3 subject carries total 180 marks. In quadrangle 3, how do you calculate the final year percentage and how that final year percentage will be included in your final ranking? Assume that in 5th semester I have scored 78% and in 6th semester I have scored 86%. As I said earlier, they consider 50% of your final year. If I make total 5th and 6th semester aggregate, it will be 82%. When I convert this 82%, 50% of this 82%, that you will get 41%. That only 41% you cannot change, because whatever the score you have scored in 5th sem and 6th sem, that comes your final year percentage. Now in quadrangle 4, how do you calculate the CET aggregate or percentage? As you know that Diploma CET carries Diploma CET contains total 180 questions and each carries 1 marks, total 180 marks. Assume that I have scored 135 marks, and how do you calculate 135 marks to 100%? That I need to convert. For 180 marks I have scored 135 marks, and what about for 100 marks? So for that I need to convert that 135 marks to 100%. So this is the formula. That formula says the total number of marks obtained into 100 divided by total number of marks allocated for Diploma CET, that is your DCET score. In this quadrangle 4 I have taken 135 as my score. For that I will be getting 75% as my Diploma CET score. In this 75%, again I need to take 50% of Diploma CET. 50% is nothing but half of that 75%. So 75% divided by 2, it is nothing but exactly 37.5%. This 37.5% is your 50% of your Diploma CET, and 41% is your 50% of your final year aggregate. When I add these two, I'll be getting or total score. Based on this total score, I'll be getting my diploma CET ranking. Here in this case, final year score is 41% and diploma CET percentage is 37%. So when I add these two, I'll be having 78.5 percentage as my total percentage. Based on this, they are going to calculate the diploma CET ranking. Thank you.